Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Match.com application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Match.com application on your device, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page if you have already logged in. Otherwise, use your credentials and you will be able to log in and access your home page. From your home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from the profile page, tap on the settings icon at the top right, which is the gear icon. Now, from the gear icon, scroll all the way down and then tap on the Manage Account option. From the Manage Account page, you will be able to find the option to edit your email. So go ahead and tap on the Edit Email option, and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering your date of birth and your password. So type in both of these credentials and then tap on I'm not a robot to verify your CAPTCHA identity. After verifying all of these, tap on the Go button, and now you will officially be allowed to edit your email address. Type in the desired new email address that you want, and then tap on the Confirm button, and after verifying your email change from your new email address by entering your inbox and tapping on the link, your email address will officially be changed on your Match.com application account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on Match.com. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your age on the Match.com application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Match.com application on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into your home page. From the home page, once it is opened up, if you have already logged into your account, if you haven't already logged into your account, you will need to enter your login credentials. After using your credentials to log into your account, you will be taken into the home page, and now from the home page, if you wish to change your age, you will need to tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on this, you will be taken into the account page. From the account page, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right to end up within your settings option. Now from the settings option, scroll all the way down, and then you will find Manage Account. Tap on the Manage Account option, and this will take you into your account management options. And this will take you into your account management page. From this page, you have various different options, including the option to edit your age. So go ahead and tap on Edit Age, and you will be asked to verify your identity first. In order to do this, you will need to enter your password and your date of birth. So enter your date of birth, and then type in your password, and then provide the CAPTCHA verification to provide your identity. Finally, tap on the Go button, and now you will be allowed to change your age. And now you will be allowed to change your date of birth, which will also change your age. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your age on the Match.com application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.